Here's the southeast corner of the property, and I'm going to pan down Woodchuck Creek. We're in the draw to the south of the orchard house, and I'm going to show what we're doing for erosion control in these draws. What we have here is a head cut where when water occasionally flows down this draw, it flows over a break in the terrain where it's been able to erode out a hole. Each time the water flows over here, the head will move farther upstream. And I'm going to walk up the channel here and show how this works. As we move up, now we're in a draw bottom where we've started to do some work. And here's a bank that's eroding fast. And we're building structures at the base of the bank in the stream channel that will control the erosion here and also change and slow down the flow of water. This V in this stream bed will catch material as it rolls down the hill, and it will fill in the V. That will cause water, when it rushes down the gully, to have to change direction, and changing direction slows the water down. Here's another erosion control structure. This is a terrace that we're building in some places. The terraces will act as a break and allow vegetation to recruit in along the log where it will collect water and have a safer place. We can build these terraces all the way up to the top, except that we want the draw contour to shift back a little bit here so there'll be less of a slope and give the vegetation more of a chance to establish. Here we've built at this head cut, we have a big log that we placed. We cut and placed this log at the tail of the pool of the hole in the head cut. That'll stop water and allow sediment to fill in there and hopefully give plants a good place to establish. Where we've placed logs in the channel, we'll plant a shrub in front of them, and if the log can help the plant by catching and slowing off runoff events.
Digging a little trench here, put this piece of slash in there, get it nice and snug to the ground, and then we're gonna put a couple stakes behind it with the hope that we get water flowing down this channel. It's gonna hit this log, energy's gonna dissipate, and it's gonna reduce erosion and keep more of the soil in this gully, keep more of the water on the property.
He's placing it right above a head cut so that the water will slow down before it goes over the little waterfall. And then another big log beneath the head cut will form the pool that will allow sediment to be deposited. This is a head cut that we filled in with a big log beneath it and a log above it. Smaller diameter wood that we've salvaged, we're cutting the poles into 3 pieces and placing them in the channel, and we'll force water moving down the channel to take a zigzag. And material that's coming off these banks will fill in the zigzags and enforce the direction change in the current. What are you doing, Jeff?
I'm digging in this log here at an angle, and then I'll dig another angled log here to slow the flow and make the stream meander.